Hot choco. Black coffee na lang. Ice na lang.
Happy Easter, everyone. Hopefully, everyone had a blessed Holy Week. Ready na ba tayo sumabak sa reality? Sana tayo ay okay pa lahat. So kami, hindi pa kami ready because tomorrow, we're gonna go to Boracay! Pero meantime, Happy Easter and simba muna tayo.
Ano yung pinagkabisigan mo this Holy Week?
Thank you for that wonderful question. What did I do this Holy Week? Pickleball. So kung hindi ka ba nagpe-pickleball, bakit hindi ka ba nagpe-pickleball? Nakita mo naman, di ba, nag-uusbungan na yung mga pickleball courts. Ikaw na lang hindi pa. We have a pickleball club, by the way. Shameless plugging. If you're in the Mandaluyong area, you can come play with us. It's called the Sheridan Pickleball Club, the coolest club in town. Oh, yan. So pickleball ang pinagkaabalhan ko, and writing. I do it 2 times a week. So I bulk it up on Fridays and Sundays, by the way. So besides that, work, yes, and more on pickleball. Let's go. Laro tayo. Kain na bago magsimba. Ano ang favorite nyong breakfast food sa McDo? Ako usually, I go for the Egg McMuffin. Ito yung may ham tsaka may egg. Arguably, McDonald's has best breakfast sandwiches, di ba?
Thumbs up.
Kain tayo. ASMR.
Go forth. Alleluia, alleluia.
Thanks be to God. Alleluia, alleluia.
Happy Easter sa ating lahat.
Ano yan? Ano yung order mo?
Sinigang na hipon.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am.
Ito yun. Tokpat baboy. Lechon kawali and gising-gising. Wake up, wake up.
What I love about this coffee shop is that right behind it is a car wash. So you can have coffee while waiting for your car to be done. Diba? I hate waiting. And this is a very smart way to go around that. Okay.
So now we're at Hello Coffee. We're having not coffee, soda iced tea. Who said you need to have coffee when you're in a coffee shop, diba? So anyway, so dito kami for me to finish my writing because meron akong deadline. Ikaw, anong drink mo?
Ano ba akin? Hibiscus Burst. Hibiscus gumamela, di ba? Oo, gumamela. Gumamela juice. Hi, guys! Akala ko hibiscus gumamela. Correct na lang, ha? Mali ako. Hi! Inistorbo ko siya while naka-break siya from writing. So, since naka-break ka naman, I'll ask you a few questions. Ha? Mga ano lang naman to, mga hindi nakaka-smart. Hindi nakaka-smart. Charot. Hindi nakaka-smart ako. Sige. Kung isa ka sa mga D siblings. Klaro niyo ba yung D siblings? Si Kiana D, Chini D, Nika D, Kyla D, Kichi, what's the name? Luigi, and then Kiyo. O sige. Kung kayo ka nakaka-relate sa mga kayo ka nakaka-relate sa mga siblings na yan. Yeah.
I think it would be, naisip ko na to kanina yung sinabi na niya sa akin. So, pero I quickly thought of KKD, Kiana D, because she's sporty. I am sporty. I am a die-hard Dasal fan, most especially. Yeah. So maybe si Kiana and si Kiyo. Yan, yung mga yan. Okay ba yun?
Ano yung tawag kay Kiana? Point City? Point City, di ba? Kasi di ba, nung UAAP, unstoppable si Kiana. Mapa-block, even serve, di ba? Spike tsaka serve. It's amazing. Ako naman, ako si Kichi. Low-key, and I feel she's very smart. So, I'm Kichi, di ba? Kichi. Yung tahimik lang. And seldom lumalabas sa mga vlog. Kasi ganun ako, low-key, di mo, di nyo makita. Very Kichi, di ba? Another question. Kung papasok ka ng bahay ni Kuya, ano yung magiging personality mo inside? Ikaw ba ay talakera? Ikaw ba ay tagaluto? Ikaw ba ay bystander? O ikaw ay tulog ng tulog? Haga?
I think ako ay big winner. Yeah. I think I will mix well with everyone, with most people. I'm not big on zodiac signs, but I think that's the Libra in me. I mix well with most people, actually. So, yan. I think marunong ako makisama. And so, with that said, I think magiging big winner ako. Paging Kuya. Ikaw.
Ako yung big supporter. Ako yung tagatawa lang. Favorite ko si Clarice right now.
I think she'll win.
Ako din. She's very fun. Tapos siya, very responsible inside.
Fearless forecast.
Kalmado lang. And yeah, Fearless forecast. She's our favorite.
Mix well with everyone. Yung formula to be, dapat you mix well with everyone. Formula to become a big winner. Then yung mga past winners, they mix well with everyone.
Oh, amazing. Tama. Good point. Sige, back to work ka muna. Kichi uli ako.
And that's about it for this vlog. So I hope you enjoyed this Easter Sunday. Araw ng pagkabuhay. That's it. So, hello coffee. Bye guys. PS. See you on the next one. Bye.